Okay. Okay, this is the entrance of the Lakeland to our land. Okay, you can go now.
Well, just take a look at something.
Okay. This is the entrance now for the our land. Lakeland Ranch. Maybe they have people. They develop now, guys. We bought this land here for the Lakeland Ranch. So it means the dopers here, right? And then they put electricity now. This one, guys, they develop now this one here. The road is nice now. In the other side is not ready yet, but we find out this road that the start develop.
Where do we want to go? I think we want to go.
The green trail.
Oh yeah, but we have to get there first. I don't think this goes all the way back. See that red stuff?
Yeah.
I think that's us.
That's us?
I think so.
Yeah. This is the one we come here. Yeah, this is the one that we come here. Straight. I tell you when we get there. This is the one you're telling me that let's go to the building. This one, remember? Yeah.
I guess this is someone living there or something.
Someone living now, huh? Oh, yeah. Someone built now. Yeah. That's why they need to do the lake by the lake also, same thing like us. I wanna take a look the one that we need to go. Just keep going. I think this is the one. This is the one to go over there to. Huh?
Yeah,
That's the one to go over there. But if they fix this one straight to our land, they're gonna be okay. Look, that's over there, right? Maybe you can stop when we see the that. This one here, see. Wait. They're the one. Okay, wait, baby. I cannot do.